Hello friends, today we are going to discuss the important multiple choice questions on GST. So let us start with first question. It says GST is dash tax. So basically friends, GST is an indirect tax because it is collected by government indirectly. See, the burden of GST is ultimately on the consumer, but it is collected by government through the dealer or from the traders. Okay, so that's why GST is an indirect tax. So here option B is the right answer. Let us move on the next question, and it asks which of the following tax or taxes are merged under GST. So options are central excise duty, service tax, VAT. Friends, see, all of these three taxes have been merged under the GST. So here option D is the right answer, right? Let us move on the next question, and it asks us the full form of GST, and options are goods and sales tax, goods and services tax, group and services tax, and good and simple tax. So we know that it is goods and services tax. So here option B is the right answer. Next question asks GST was implemented in India from. So it asks us the date of the implementation of GST, and here the date is 1st July 2017. So here option C is the right answer. Okay, GST was implemented in India from 1st July 2017. Let us move on the next question, and it asks us Article Dash of the Constitution of India empowers central government and state government to levy taxes on various matters listed in Schedule 7 of the Constitution of India. See friends, this question is basically on the constitutional background of the taxes in India. Okay, so here uh, yeah, question asks us about the article of the Constitution of India which empowers the central government and state government. So see friends, article 246. Okay, here article 246, that is option C is the right answer. Article 246 of the Constitution of India empowers central government and state government to levy taxes on various matters listed in Schedule 7 of the Constitution of India. Okay, so here this sentence or these questions contains very essential information or crucial information about the taxation system. See, 246 empowers the central government and state government to levy taxes. Okay, and this sentence further says on various matters listed in Schedule 7 of the Constitution. So basically, this schedule number 7 of the Constitution contains the list. Okay, we are going to discuss about that in further questions. So let us move on the next question. It is about the Schedule 7 of the Constitution of India, and the question asks the Schedule 7 of Constitution of India contains dash list. So friends, see, the schedule number 7 of the Constitution of India contains three lists, and those lists are union list, state list, and concurrent list. Union list contains the matters on which central government can make laws, right? Then next list is state list. State list contains the matter on which state governments can make the laws. Okay, and third list is concurrent list. This list contains the matters or the items on which both central government as well as state government can make the laws. Okay, here I would like to mention one point which is there in the concurrent list, that is education. So we all know that the central government can make laws related to the education, and the state government can also make the laws on the educations. Okay, so the answer for question number 6 is option B. See, the question was the Schedule 7 of Constitution of India contains dash list. So there are three lists. So here option B is the right answer. Let us move on the next question, and it asks the Constitution Amendment Act 2016 was dash amendment to the constitutions. So basically this asks us about the number of constitution amendment. We know that after the uh, uh, enactment or after the application of original constitution in 1950, the government has made various amendments in the original constitutions, okay, related to various matters. So this constitution amendment act 2016 was related to the GST. So that's why the this sentence asks us the constitution amendment act 2016 was dash amendment. So basically, see friends, it was the 101st amendment. So here option D is the right answer, right? See, the government need to make this constitutional amendment because of the seventh schedule. Okay, we are going to discuss about that in further questions. Okay, so let us move on the next question. Next question as ask us, as a result of Constitution Amendment Act 2016, article dash was inserted in the Constitution of India. See friends, we have discussed in earlier questions that article 246 empowers the central government and state government to make to levy taxes on various matters listed in the schedule 7 of the Constitution of India. Okay, so after the amendment, the new article was inserted, and that article was 200 and 246A, basically 246A. This new article was inserted in the Constitution. So here option C is the right answer. Okay, let us move on the next question, and it asks, revenue collected through GST system is distributed between center and state as per the recommendation of, and options are finance commission, finance minister, prime minister, and GST council. So see friends, we know that under GST system the various taxes are merged. That is, some taxes which were collected by the central government and some taxes which were collected by the state government. So the various taxes has been merged in the GST. Okay, so to distribute the revenue generated through GST collection, there is a need of a one independent body, and the GST Act itself has make provision to the formation of GST Council. So here option D is the right answer. Okay, so revenue collected through GST system is distributed between center and state as per the recommendation of GST Council. So here option D is the right answer. Next question asks us, UTGST is applicable when? Okay, and options are, see, the options are in the sentence form. So let us read these options one by one. First option says, goods are sold from one union territory to another union territory. See friends, when goods are sold from one union territory to another union territory, or from one state to another states, we know there is a uh, ITGST. Okay, next option says, so here UTGST is not the option for first sentence. Next says, goods are sold from one state to another states. Again, when goods are sold from one state to another state, there is a IGST. Okay, next option says goods are sold within union territory. So right, friends, UTGST means union territory GST. So here option C is the right answer. Right, when goods are sold within union territory, UTGST is applicable. So here option C is the right answer. Let us move on the next question friends, and next question says, GST is a dash tax system, and options are progressive, regressive, single point, and multi-point. So friends, GST is basically multi-point tax system. It means the tax is collected at various stages. Basically, when some trader or manufacturer adds value in that product or services, at that time the GST becomes applicable. It is like VAT, basically value added tax. Okay, so that's why GST is a multi-point tax system. So here option D is the right answer for question number 11. Let us move on the next question, and next question asks us, when a GST registered trader in Maharashtra sells goods to customer in Gujarat, the tax collected is. See friends, the question asks us, when a GST registered trader from one state sells goods in another state. So in that case, we know IGST is applicable. That is integrated GST. So here option C is the right answer. Okay. Here friends, I would like to mention or tell the full form of this uh, GST related terms. First is SGST. SGST stands for State GST, State Goods and Services Tax. CGST, it is Central Goods and Services Tax. Then option C, that is IGST, it is Integrated GST, and UTGST, it is Union Territory GST. See students, SGST is applicable when goods are sold within the state, same state, right? When goods are sold in same state, this SGST applicable. CGST is applicable. See, uh, if we you look at the bill, you will find that the GST is basically bifurcated as a SGST and CGST. Okay, when you purchase goods or services, and when you have a bill, you will notice that on the bill, the tax is, or GST is splitted as SGST and CGST. Okay, so CGST is Central Goods and Services Tax basically. So basically in bill itself, the allocation of the GST is shown on the bill. IGST is applicable when goods are sold from one state to another state. It means interstate, yeah, inter union territory जब भी transaction होगी, in that case IGST is applicable. And UTGST, it stands for Union Territory Goods and Services Tax. So UTGST is applicable when goods are sold within the union territory. Okay. So for this question, option C is the right answer. That is, IGST is applicable when goods are sold from one state to another state. Let us move on the next question, and it asks, which of the following tax is not merged in GST? So excise duty, custom duty, service tax, and VAT. These are the options. So we know that excise duty is merged, service tax is merged, and VAT is also merged in the GST. So here option B is the right answer. Customs duty is not merged in the GST. Okay, let us move on the next question, and it asks us, which tax is applicable on import? Okay, when a trader or person imports goods, in that case, the tax applicable, it is basically IGST. Okay, IGST is applicable for interstate trade and for imports also. So here option A is the right answer. Let us move on the next question, and it asks us about the highest GST rate applicable in India is dash percent. So we know that the highest GST rate in India is 28%. So here option A is the right answer. Next question asks us, under GST compensation says. See friends, under this GST system, the cess is collected. See, cess is basically tax on tax. It is not a separate tax. It is charged, okay, as an extra tax on tax. So compensation says is applicable on dash goods, and options are all goods, essential goods, demerit goods, and consumer goods. See friends, this compensation says is applicable on demerit goods, and demerit goods are those goods which are not good for human consumption, or which are hazardous or harmful to the human, like tobacco, alcohol. Okay, so or luxurious goods. So those goods are considered as demerit goods, and on that demerit goods, the rate of GST is highest, that is 28%. And along with this 28% GST, compensation cess is also applicable. Okay, so here under GST compensation under GST, compensation cess is applicable on demerit goods, right? So here option C is the right answer. Let us move on the next question, and it asks us the maximum limit of IGST rate fixed in the GST Act is dash percent. So, friends, we know that IGST is integrated goods and services tax, which is applicable on the interstate trade. Okay, when a trader from one state sells goods in other state, in that case IGST is applicable, and IGST is also applicable on imports. So here the maximum limit of IGST rate fixed in the GST Act itself, and that limit is 40%. See friends, this is not about the GST rate which are prevailing in India right now. It is about the maximum limit of IGST up to which the GST rate can be increased. Okay, so the maximum limit is 40%. So here option C is the right answer. Let us move on the next question, and it says the chairman of GST Council is, and options are state finance minister, union finance minister, prime minister, chief minister. So we know, or this GST subject is related to the finance. So here union finance minister is the chairman of GST council, and these state finance ministers are the members basically in GST council. So here option B is the right answer. The chairman of GST council is union finance minister. Let us move on the next question, and it says which of the following list is not in the seventh schedule of the Constitution of India. So friends, we have discussed about the schedule 7 of the Constitution of India, that it contains three lists, and those lists are: first list is union list, second is state list, and third is concurrent list. See friends, here I would like to discuss about the seventh schedule here, because it is very important point. See, union list contains those matters on which central government can make laws, right? And state government contains the matters or items on which state government can make laws, and concurrent list contains the matters on which both central government and state government can make laws. See, here I would like to mention the matters which are listed in union list. Some matters like defense, it is listed in the union list. Okay, space research or uh, space development, it is in the union list. Okay, state list contains matters like agriculture. So basically state government has right to make laws related to the agriculture, right? Then next is concurrent list. So concurrent list includes the matters on which both central government and state government can make laws, right? So here, which question says which of the following list is not in the seventh schedule of the Constitution of India, and it is merit list is not there, right? Obviously, because union list is there, state list is there, concurrent list is there. So here answer for question number 19 is option B. Let us move on the next question, and it says dash was the first country to introduce GST or GST like taxes. Okay, and options are France, USA, Japan, and India. Friends, the first country in the world was France to introduce the GST itself. Okay, so here option A is the right answer. Let us move on the next question, and next question says GST registration is compulsory if aggregate supply of goods and services exceeds. So it is about the registration of GST, and who can register on the portal of GST? So obviously service provider or trader, okay, who deals in goods and services. So that businessman has to register for the GST, and for that the threshold limit is basically 20 lakhs. Here options are 10 lakh, 15 lakh, 20 lakh, and 30 lakh. So GST registration is compulsory if supply of goods and services exceeds 20 lakhs, right? If supply or turnover of that trader is more than 20 lakh, the trader has to register on the GST portal. Okay, and if the total supply is less than 20 lakhs, that trader can voluntarily register, okay, himself under the uh, GST regime. Okay, if he wants, he can register. But if the turnover is more than 20 lakh, then registration is compulsory, right? It is not like that if the turnover is not more than 20 lakh, then trader cannot register. Trader can register, but if he wants, it is voluntary. But if the aggregate supply exceeds 20 lakh, if aggregate supply is more than 20 lakh, in that case GST registration is compulsory. So here option C is the right answer. GST registration is compulsory if aggregate supply of goods and services exceeds 20 lakh. Let us move on the next question, and says threshold limit for GST registration has been increased to dash if supplier is engaged in supply of goods only. See, friends, this is tricky questions. So I would like to show you the previous question, that is question number 21. Here it says GST registration is compulsory if aggregate supply of goods and services exceeds, right? If aggregate supply of goods and services exceeds 20 lakh, then registration is compulsory. This threshold limit has been increased for the trader who deals only in goods. Okay, so for those traders, this limit has been increased to 40 lakh rupees. So here basically option B is the right answer. Okay, not option A. Here, let me correct this. Option B is the right answer. Right. See, friends, once again, GST registration is compulsory if aggregate supply of goods and services exceeds 20 lakh. Right, and this limit has increased to 40 lakh if the trader deals only in goods. Okay, and with certain uh, conditions. There are certain conditions, like uh, the trader must be uh, selling his goods within a state only. In that case, this threshold limit is applicable. Otherwise, the limit is 20 lakh. Okay, so basically, with certain conditions, the threshold limit for GST registration has been increased to 40 lakhs if the trader or supplier is engaged in the goods only, okay, not services, right? I hope this is clear now. See, friends, if you have any doubt, any question related to the GST, you can ask me in the comment section. I will definitely answer your questions, and make sure that you have subscribed our channel for more videos, and share this video with your friends and like it. Thank you